Hey guys, this is your girl Tracy, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So today, I'm just doing a very simple and easy eyebrow tutorial. So first, I'm going in with an eyebrow pencil that has a spoolie on the end. I'm combing and brushing those brows up, finding a natural shape. And I'm going in with this nice little e.l.f. product, guys. Let me tell you, this product is super cheap, like $1 at your drugstore. This pomade, you're just gonna apply it to your eyebrows and just brush it through. It's going to lay those hairs down and give you a really good surface to work on. Now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. This is a very thick product, but it also gives you a really rich and dark color. I'm going in the end of this brow, y'all. So, rule of thumb, brows from the arch to the tail should be your darkest point. So I'm going in kind of heavy. I'm finding a shape and I'm filling them in and making them thick. So from the tail back, I made it darker. And as you can see towards the opening of the brow, I kind of left no product there. Just making those brows at the top a little bit, appear a little bit finer. Because if you look at your natural brows, if you look at the beginning of the brow, you have really fine hair, and as it goes back from the arch to the tail, that's where your thicker, darker hair is. So when you fill in, you want to try to give more of a natural effect. So you're going to go in dark towards the back of the brow and keep it light towards the front. And now you see me, I'm using the spoolie and I'm kind of moving that product around, feathering it through, making sure there's no harsh lines. So this is a rule for me. Anytime you put down a cream or a liquid product, you're gonna want to come back and put a powder over it. So I got a Brow Gel powdered eyebrow set here, and I'm just gonna put some powder down over top of that gel product. Now, here we go. Let's do it, y'all. We're going to carve these brows out. Because you have a shape here, now what you're going to do is you're going to go in with a concealer and you're going to really, really give yourself a very precise look. So what you're going to do is put concealer underneath the brows. You see I'm kind of carving out the shape here, and I'm using this lighter product underneath, taking it underneath the brow, and it's going to clean up any of the excess product that I put down. And I'm telling you guys, towards the end, you're going to see, I mean, it's going to make these brows look snatched. Do they still say snatched? Yeah, snatched. I mean, it's going to look like you have like the prettiest, luscious eyebrows there is. And I'm telling you guys, it's all a makeup illusion because I have the straggliest, yeah, that's a word. I just made it up. But yeah, I got some little baby ass brows, and I made it look like I had some super luscious brows. All right, so I went in and I also carved out the brow over the top. I used a darker shade over the top because I didn't want to have a halo effect. But here is the super duper duper duper. I'm giving you guys all my tricks. What I do is I take a good old cotton swab. I go in and I move that concealer away, and I remove the concealer with that. Now I know some people just use a foundation brush and they'll blend their eyebrows out when they do that foundation. But for me, I like to take a cotton swab and go in, I mean, and really, really remove that product and get it away. Because if you don't, guys, at the end of the your makeup, well, at the end of your application and you go and take pictures, you'll see a line where you put that foundation from, and it gives you a halo effect, and it looks like your brows are floating on your face, and it looks crazy. And trust me, I've done it a lot when I first started doing my makeup. And you don't want to be out here in these streets looking crazy. So trust your girl, follow my tips, and I'm gonna have you right. All right, because I lost some of the shape when I went in with my concealer, I'm going back in with some reinforcements. I have a nice little Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm going in and adding some more definition and brushing through these brows and getting them all the way together. Um, I am very, very, very funny about my brows. I think that a brow can make and break your makeup look. And I also feel like sometimes if you don't want to do makeup, if you put your old nasty brow on and some lip gloss, you're going to walk around looking like your face is totally done. Brows make or break a makeup look. It makes or break a face. To me, it's the most important part of the face. And I work really hard to try to get a routine set, or just I work really hard on trying to get my brows together, guys. I'm gonna tell you, I walked around for a long time looking real crazy, and sometimes I still do my brows and overdo it, but I have found this method that I'm teaching you guys today to be the best way to achieve it. So yeah, just follow the tips that I'm giving you guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna come out with some banging brows. All right, so what I do, because I do not go to the shop anymore and get waxing or threading because they were making me look snatched around the face. I don't know, I was really bald. Like waxing took too much hair. So what I do now is I just apply my brows with my makeup, and then once I'm finished, I'll go in with one of these razors and go in and remove excess hair. And that's all I do. I have not had my brows waxed in almost 3 years, guys, and I'm telling you, I walk around and people think like I just like finished getting a thread job or something, but I'm going in and I'm doing a little tweaking. I'm doing a little tweaking, making sure that I got things the way I want it. Now, we'll say this. I noticed that my brows wasn't 100% symmetrical and perfect. And people always say it, and I say it too. Your brows are not going to be twins. They're going to be more like sisters. They're not going to look exactly alike because naturally they don't. But I try to get as close as possible. I'm going in with a brow gel and I'm setting these bad boys in. And as you can see, basically this is what I do. This is what I do every time I do my makeup. But I did go in and fix it a little bit when I put my foundation to make them look more symmetrical. And as you can see coming up, guys, they came out pretty good. I have some pictures attached. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos. Thank you, guys. Love you.